Hi there everybody, Dan McCready, WATD News. About to make my trek in, and as I usually tape these things after a storm, I figured I'd keep the tradition going. It's kind of stopped snowing as much out here in Milton, but I thought I'd give you an idea of just how much snow has fallen. So once again, we've got Yield Trusty Ruler, and we're looking at just a little over 6 inches. So, about to start the drive. We'll see how it goes. Now, earlier, when I was getting ready to leave this morning, the lights flickered a little bit in the casa, and I was wondering, oh, that's not good, but as you drive around, you can see now a lot of the wires here are very much covered in snow, sagging a little bit. Fortunately, I did not lose power, but nonetheless they are weighing down the wires, so oh, there you go, see? So, yeah, hopefully nobody else does. As you can see, plow crews are still out in force, at least out here in Milton. I know a lot of schools got the day off, some state employees. If you happen to be impacted by that one way or another, today's probably a good day to just, relax, have a nice cup of coffee, cup of tea, a nice warm beverage, and just listen to 95.9 WATD. We deal with this so you don't have to. Another plow. Gotta admit, this is actually quite scenic. I'd rather it not be here, but it is quite scenic. We'll see how it is further down on the South Shore. Heading into East Milton Square now. Snow looks like it largely stopped falling, but yeah, look at all this. Now, if this isn't a Christmas card, I don't know what is. Alright, we're now about to merge on to 93. See how this looks. Looking pretty clear so far. You see there's some snow hanging off the signs there. That might cause a little bit of confusion for some people who are not from around these parts, or this is not part of their daily commute. Like, where's 93 to Providence? I don't know. Fortunately I do, so I'm not going to go that way. As you can see, the sign 3 to Cape Cod, that wasn't exactly clear, so here's an even better example. All you can see is 93 sort of south. That might cause a problem for some folk. And you see the Route 3 sign here. Look, the exit sign, nothing. That might cause some problems for people who are driving around. Like I said, if you're not 100% sure where you're going, you could encounter some problems. what you're hearing right now is the voice of Larry Nelson. He's been filling in for Rob Hakala all this week, and boy, did Rob Hakala pick one heck of a week to go on vacation. By the way, well deserved. The man works very hard. I'm just saying, though, his timing couldn't have been better. When Larry Nelson and I went down to Green Harbor to cover the Lieutenant Governor's visit, he was able to rig together, like we did Facebook Live postings and things like that. I did a lot of that stuff. Larry was able to rig together a way that we could talk to all these people live on air, so, you know, kudos. As you see right there, once again, we can see all these food restaurants, but we weren't able to read the sign completely clearly. So that might be an issue for some people if you're heading out today. If you don't quite know where you're headed, you might encounter that problem. Looks like we got some utility crews out and about today. Oh, and apparently a breakdown. So it looks like the snow is still falling fairly steadily here in Marshfield. As well, we're not quite in Marshfield yet. We're actually in Pembroke, but we're close to the Marshfield line here, and the snow is still falling pretty steadily as we get closer to Broadcast House. Now in Marshfield. And Enterprise Drive. Got some puddling going on here. But like I said, the road looks fairly passable. This is a good thing. And here we are, pulling up to Broadcast House. Alright, so that was my drive-in. Not as bad as some of the others. Snow's still falling out here in Marshfield. So this is Dan McCready at work, ready to get on the air. Wishing you a good day. Dan McCready, WATD News.